Hi, this is problem 31 from test 3 review, where you have to use 2 points to find the equation for a line. The first thing you have to do is find the slope using the slope equation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here are the corresponding points. y2 and y1 are right here. Here's y2, here's y1. This is the first point, so we assigned x1, y1. This is the second point, so we assigned x2, y2. So then I would start to draw y2 minus y1, so that's 8 minus the y1, that's 2, over x2 minus x1, so that's 6 minus 4. Well, that's friendly. No pesky integers. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2, which then reduces to 3. So the slope is 3. So slope is 3. Now we want to figure out what B is. The y point is not B. B is the y-intercept, so it is only y where x is 0. This is x here is 6, so this point is not necessarily on crossing the crossing the y-axis. This point does not necessarily cross the y-axis. Neither does this point. If x were 0 and y was 8, that would be the y-intercept. So we don't know B, but we can use this equation to find B. Because we have m, slope, we have a y and an x. We can use this x and y, or we can use this x and y. All you need is one point to fill in these x's and y's. So with that, if we fill in our variables for this equation, and we follow accordingly. So I'm going to take y, and I can use in any point. I'll use this one. I'll use 8. So you can say 8 equals, and we have our m, which is 3. That's our slope. 3 times point x. You can't use the other x. Once you start using one point, you have to continue to use the same point. So it's that 8 with this 6, that x. So 3 times 6 plus b. We only have one variable now, so we can easily solve for that variable. First, let's simplify the 6 times 3, and you would get 18 plus the b. And that's easy enough. We subtract 18 from both sides. So that would be 8 minus 18 equals b, because we're going to subtract 18 from this side also. So 8 minus 18 is a negative 10 equals b. So our b is negative 10. Now we have a b, and whoops, I used this color for b. Here's our b, and we have an m right here. So we can plug in 3 for m, negative 10 for b, and we have an equation for a line. So let me write that here. Don't put the points in. You don't have to fill in the y and the x for just making an equation. All you have to fill in is the m and the b. So we have a slope of m, 3. You just have an x, because you can plug in any points with this equation and get a line. Plus our b, which is now negative 10. Which, of course, if we were to do that the way in a more conventional form, you just write 3x minus 10. So the equation of our line, our final answer, is here. And I'll do another one like that.